everyone. So I will be doing another review on Tradelines.com. This is the site where you can get all your financial needs, CPNs, loans, authorized users, primary trade lines. So we will be doing a review on the auto trade lines. So if you're trying to get a car, I recommend you get around a $50,000 to $100,000 credit line. If you're trying to get, for example, everyone asks me they want to get a Urus or anything over 150. If you're trying to get a Urus, then you will need at least 100K paid off. To play on the safe side, get the $500,000 credit line, and you get a guaranteed approval at the dealership. So let's go through this credit line. So you can pick Lamborghini, Ferrari, Rolls-Royce, Mercedes, and Bentley. So pretty much, once you place the order, you hit buy now, and you submit the order, add in your info, and pay during the checkout. There's an option where you pay manually. You send them the credit details for them to add, and then they'll reach out to you. So this can also go on your CPN, your personal, and your business, LLC, EIN, company. If you're trying to get some trucks or some cars for your business, this will be a really good addition. Of course, you can add multiple auto trade lines if you want. The more the better, but for now, only one will be good. This reports in 1 day. This stays on for 3 years. It's a closed account. So let's go over the cheap one that they have for $275. So this is good for just boosting your credit. If you're trying to get a car, the limit will be around $50,000, $40,000 to $50,000 if you're trying to get a car. For zero down payment, you will need to have at least a mid 700 credit score to get down payment. Same thing, it stays on 3 years, reports to pretty much CPNs, everything. 1 day reporting. For business, I don't recommend this. I recommend you stay with the 500K or the 100K auto primary, all primaries. Boost your score around, based on my experience, about 200 points, 150 to 200 points. If you have nothing on your credit or CPN, it can shoot up to around a 700 score. If you get the 500 credit line with a blank profile, then it's almost a guaranteed high 700 to 800 credit score. So you can stack these with authorized users, but authorized users don't really do it much in 2024. Let's check out their primary trade lines. So I recommend the stack trade lines. They have a $200,000 stack trade line. So it's just several accounts, backdated up to 5 years. So it can be Chase, Bank of America, random banks, just stacked up. It can go to your CPN, business, anything really. 5 years, good standing, backdated. It reports 24 hours. This company's a data furnishing company, so 24 hours is possible because like a hard inquiry that pulls your credit, it reports on your credit within like seconds. So 24 hours is now the norm in 2024 and so on. And they also have a single primary credit trade line. So these are like pretty much are the ones with a long history. People make on-time payments and they ask the bank to up their credit limit over the years. So also these are actually usable. So it will be reported under your name and you're responsible to use the credit line. So you can check that out. They have other ones. But yes, authorized users, they also have authorized users. If you want but, these aren't really necessary. It does boost your score, but doesn't help you get approved for really anything. So yes, we covered auto trade lines. You can stack these with the primaries, but if you don't feel like getting the autos, then the stack is good enough. I recommend the 100K for 600. It will report in 24 hours. Make sure you submit your credit information, name, date of birth, all that stuff. It also goes on CPN, so you can use your CPN to get a vehicle, a loan, or a credit card. And that's pretty much the gist of it. The last part I'll cover for the next video. We'll be talking about the CPN packages. So for now, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.